What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working with the company Original Queen. Here I'm just showing you what the packaging looks like. In the box it comes with this little card with has code and website links. It comes with the order paper, wig cap, and the bag that the wig was in. Here I'm just showing you the wig. This is a 20-inch Jerry curly lace front wig. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back with adjustable straps. Now I'm just showing you what the wig looks like, fresh out of the box, put on. The wig did come pre-plucked. All I did was bleach the knots and add foundation off camera. This is a 13x6 parting space. Here I'm just showing you your versatile parting space. You can do side parts or middle parts. Next, we're going to go in with our alcohol and just clean the perimeter of our forehead. Now we're going to take our Ghost Bond and apply 3 thin layers to the front of our hairline and then work in sections and do the sides. Once the glue has turned clear, you want to go ahead and put your lace on your hairline and line everything up to make sure it lays perfectly. Take your rat tail comb in your dryer and gently push the lace into the glue. Once everything is dry, you want to go ahead and take a razor comb and go ahead and cut out the lace for the front of your hairline where you have adhered it. I've noticed that I like using this technique better than using scissors, because with scissors you have a straight line going across. Then with a razor comb it runs across the glue so it looks rigid like your hairline. Now continue the same process you did at the front with both sides of your hairline. This part is optional, but I decided to go back in with my foundation and just to press a little bit more into the lace to make it look seamless. Your hair is parted, you want to go ahead and take your hot comb and press out your part just so everything looks flat and neat. Now I'm going to take my water bottle and spray my hair just to get everything wet. When doing this, you want to take a big paddle brush and detangle your hair, and after that we will get into the curly hair routine. The first product I like to use is a Cantu Argan Oil leave-in conditioner spray, and I just like to spray this all over the hair and lather it to make sure everything is coated. Next, I'm going to take Cream of Nature Argan Oil Cream Oil Moisturizer Leave-In Conditioner. I use about this much, and I'm just going to put that into the hair and kind of finger comb or rake through it. As you can see, the curl pattern looks more defined once both products have been added. Lastly, I like to take this curling mousse and just put that on the ends and the sides of the hair and kind of just finger comb it through. This to me seals in all the product that I use and keeps the hair from looking frizzy throughout the day. Next, we're going to take this Nutrients wax stick and just apply that to our hairline. And once that's done, you want to take your hot comb and just to press everything out to make sure everything's laid. After that, we will continue with laying the baby hairs, and that will be the finished look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. And
again, this is Original Queen, and this is their 20-inch Jerry Curly 13x6 lace front wig. The unit did come pre-plucked. All I did was bleach the knots, and then I went ahead and added the concealer and stuff off camera. Super, super cute, blended effortlessly, and I love it so much. I'm not getting any tangling other than, you know, from me brushing it, and after I went in and tweezed it a little bit. I just altered it just a little bit, not much. But yeah, so no tangling. I can run my fingers through it, and I'm getting some shedding, but it's not a whole lot. It's just like a couple strands for me finger combing and playing with it. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. This was super quick and super easy. If you want to see another detailed tutorial, just let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.